Did you know that up until now, all the other Facebook Messenger software programs could only convert Facebook fans into Facebook Messenger subscribers? Well, that is about to change. Introducing Funnel Messenger, the software that can also convert your website visitors into Facebook Messenger subscribers. All they need to do is click to take action. Once they have clicked and left your site, you can automatically send personalized messages that remind them of the unique experience that they had on your site. You could show them an irresistible offer that they can't refuse, hook them by offering limited time deals, and so much more. Bring them back to your site and close the sale. It's like retargeting, but completely free. This app is 100% Facebook compliant. It uses the Facebook approved API and is approved for Facebook Messenger. Now imagine building a targeted list of unlimited subscribers for any business or niche. Imagine having the power to send personal messages to thousands of subscribers instantly, right inside their Facebook Messenger inboxes in one click in under 3 seconds. Imagine up to 100% open rates for all broadcast messages because, come on, who doesn't check Messenger? Everyone's addicted to Facebook Messenger, even your business prospects. You'll be able to convert your website visitors into long-term Messenger subscribers, much like your email subscribers, and then take them from Facebook back to your website, your affiliate promotion, your e-com or Shopify store, or your shopping cart page with one message and one click in just seconds. Do you know that 90% of site visitors leave without purchasing? Start capturing that missed revenue with our auto set reminder message for abandoned cart to recover those sales and a lot more in the world's first Facebook Messenger marketing suite. Facebook Messenger is a platform which has over 1 billion active users who keep checking their phones for messages every hour of every day. With all the new changes coming, Facebook Messenger will be the #1 social platform to get engagement for business in 2018. And a shocking fact for you, 99.8% of businesses are still not using Facebook Messenger, and the remaining 0.2% are spending tens of thousands of dollars to make simple feature bots for operations. Now, we're talking about a very new technology here, which has the potential to give you thousands of prospects right inside your Messenger inbox. Now, this new generation technology beats out all the traditional marketing and has the potential to bring you 10 times more results when used with other traditional traffic methods. Our beta users have concrete results as proof of how well this software leverages this messenger technology. Funnel Messenger includes exceptional features to bring you free traffic from Messenger. Smart, powerful, and easy to use software to beat your competition by using untapped messenger traffic. Let me show you how easy it is to use Funnel Messenger. We use this checkbox plugin to help you convert visitors from your website into Facebook Messenger subscribers. Connect your Facebook account in Funnel Messenger app. Add website and Facebook page. Copy the opt-in code from the Funnel Messenger and add it to your website. Add the message that you want sent. The first message can be sent immediately or scheduled for another time. This takes less than 5 minutes for each new campaign. Now set up your series of messages that you want sent to correspond with the call to action on the button your subscribers click on. These messages are similar to those that you would set up in your email autoresponder. These Facebook messages are aimed to engage your subscribers and get them to take action fast. You no longer have to compete with hundreds of others to hit their email inboxes. Get your email opened, target the right audience, or pay more for ads or other forms of marketing. Here are 7 smart reasons why your business needs Funnel Messenger. First, get over 95% instant open rates, unlike 10% of email opens over time. Second, convert almost all your website visitors with the right call to action, unlike the drastically reduced numbers in the double opt-in process. Third, collect actual information on your website using Funnel Messenger interactive buttons, unlike fake emails in the opt-in process. Fourth, convert Messenger subscribers into Facebook page fans by broadcasting messages. Fifth, target and capture new audiences using Facebook ads, while Funnel Messenger converts most of them into your long-term subscribers. 6. Increase your Facebook fan page response time and overall reach by smart sequence messages. 7. Run interactive smart surveys in Messenger using smart sequence messages for coupon codes, FAQs, and quizzes. Funnel Messenger also comes as a WordPress plugin, and very soon our Shopify app will allow e-com store owners to leverage all of Funnel Messenger features without logging into the Funnel Messenger dashboard. You'll get complete step-by-step video training for Funnel Messenger, along with our 24/7 award-winning support and regular weekly webinars. For the first time ever, Funnel Messenger allows you to convert website visitors into Facebook Messenger subscribers. No other software has the power to get you 10 times more leads, traffic, and engagement in business using Facebook. Take advantage of low-friction opt-in and high open and click rates when compared to email. Stand out to your customers by being one of the first voices on this new channel. Soon we will be selling thousands of monthly membership accounts around the world at a much higher price, just like email autoresponder companies do. However, today you have the exclusive opportunity to grab your permanent membership of Funnel Messenger at a low one-time payment. Funnel Messenger is covered with our rock-solid 180 days money-back guarantee, which means if it doesn't live up to every claim on this page, just get in touch for a prompt refund. That's how easy it is for you. This is the innovative dream tool of every traffic seeker. It is here, and it can be yours for an extremely discounted price right now. Ready to grow your business online? Get Funnel Messenger now by clicking on the link below.